Hi, I'm Sajid Rahim extending a hearty welcome to you all to this transmission of Daiji Global Panvision. First, the top story. Daiji World's Gonu disaster photos selected for UNEP yearbook. News headlines from abroad. Fun and frolic marks Houston Mangaloreans' day out. Mangalore Association of Saudi Arabia gets new office bearers. News headlines from Mangalore. Padua School celebrates annual day. Glimpses of intercollegiate fashion show competition held at MIFT. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song from the 70th monthly theatre held at Kalangan, dance from the 10th anniversary celebration of Billa Walaga Dubai, and a song from Sona Sambram Baila show held at Brahmawar. The news in detail. Remember Gonu, the cyclone that created havoc in Oman during June this year? Daiji World was one of the first from the media to flash the report on the cyclone hit areas. The photographs depicting the aftermath of the cyclone that appeared on Daiji World were viewed by thousands of the viewers and also by the major organizations worldwide. One such reputed environmental organization, namely United Nations Environment Programme in Nairobi, has decided to include Daiji World's photographs of Gonu in its yearbook 2008.
Gonu, nature's attack to the Sultanate of Oman during June 2007, was a disaster that cannot be wiped off from the minds of the common people worldwide. The dynamic team of Daiji World from Oman, led by Clarence Pinto, had managed to capture some unforgettable shots of the aftermath. Thanks to the effort of Dilip Korea and Monica Dantes, who wasted no time in capturing the pictures. Daiji World was one of the first media to flash the pictorial report after the disaster took place. Now, United Nations Environment Programme in Nairobi, Kenya has requested Daiji World to reproduce the pictures to be included in the forthcoming publication of the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP Yearbook 2008. The yearbook is an exceptionally important publication as it is used as a focal document at the UNEP Governing Council to inform policymakers on environmental issues related to the previous year as well as emerging challenges. Jason Arjebba, Project Assistant Division of Early Warning and Assessment United Nations Environment Programme, has communicated to Daiji World in this regard.
Mangaloreans in Houston held a family day out on Saturday, November 24th at the Missouri City Catholic Community Center. Heavy downpour and extreme cold weather did not hamper their spirits, and the families shifted their venue from an open park to indoors and had a great day playing games and savoring delicious food.
Houston Mangaloreans Day Out was held on Saturday, November 24, 2007 at Missouri City Catholic Community Center. 25 Mangalorean families from various parts of Houston were present. Varieties of individual and team games were held and were keenly contested. The day was filled with fun and frolic, games and dance, quiz and takshari, musical chairs, housey and lots of laughter. Later, Flavin Dicunna entertained the gathering with a magic show, which left everyone spellbound. Children, individually and in groups, exhibited their talents. Individual and team prizes were distributed. Everyone then joined together to dance to the tune of Baila. Ivan Menezes provided music and sound.
The new office bearers of Mangalore Association of Saudi Arabia were elected at a meeting held recently.
Karunakar Salyan has been elected as the new president of Mangalorean Association of Saudi Arabia, MASA. Madhav Amin has been elected as his deputy. Suresh Shetty will be the new treasurer. Ravi Karkera, the general secretary and entertainment committee head. Lakshmikant Rai will be the joint treasurer and Santosh Shetty will be the joint secretary and sports committee head. Along with this, all the committees of Mangalore Association Saudi Arabia too have been revamped.
Come year end, schools in Mangalore gear up to celebrate the annual day. Padua School, one of the oldest schools in Mangalore, celebrated the annual day on Tuesday, November 27th evening. The primary and high school students exhibited their talent at the cultural programs held on the occasion.
Padua Primary School and High School celebrated their annual day on Tuesday, November 27 at school grounds. The program started with the welcome song by the students. Father Melvin Pinto, principal of St. Aloysius High School, was the chief guest. He suggested the student community to inculcate communication skill and leadership quality.
ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಎಂದೊಡನೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕೇವಲ ಓದುವುದು ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನೆ ಪಾಠಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ಯೂಷನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ನಾಚಿಕೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಓದಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ವೋ ಅವರು ಟ್ಯೂಷನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಆದರೂ ಈಗ ಕಾಲ ಬದಲಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠೆಯ ವಿಷಯ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಇದು ಟ್ಯೂಷನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ವೋ, ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇವರೇನು ಭಾಳ ಬಡವರೇನ, ಇವರ ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗೀಗ ಹೊಸ ಮಲ್ಟಿನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿವೆ. ಈ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ದೊರಕಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಆದರೂ ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡುವುದು ಆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಅಂಕಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡೋದು ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಿನ ಅವರು ಆ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Father Peter Narona, correspondent of the school, presided over the function. Winners of various competitions were presented with prizes. V. Sriram Reddy, Joint Commissioner of Greater Bangalore Municipal Corporation, Father Michael Sant Mayor, Principal of Padua Pre-University College, Henry D'Souza and Vice President of Padua Old Students Association were present. Francis D'Souza, Headmaster of the high school, welcomed the gathering. Later, various cultural events were held by the students.
Padua Pre-University College will observe its annual day on Wednesday, November 28th. Well, with this, we will take a break here. After the break, we will bring you the glimpses of fashion show held at Mangalore Institute of Fashion Technology. So stay tuned to us.
ಮುಕ್ತಿಧರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Montero Textiles has wide collections of suitings of well-known brands, including Raymond Suitings, Dinesh, Digjam and Gwalior Suiting, Arvind, Oxford, BSL Suitings, jeans, corduroy, imported materials and ladies suit materials are also available with us. Montero Textiles, Sarja Complex, near Shetty Traders, Milagres Crossroad, Ampankatta, Mangalore.
Welcome back after the break. MIFT is one of the premier institutes imparting fashion technology courses in Mangalore. The college organized intercollegiate fashion show competition recently to provide an opportunity for the future designers to exhibit their talent. We have glimpses of the fashion show.
Mangalore Institute of Fashion Technology organized intercollegiate fashion show competition. Colleges from different parts of the state took part in this competition. Students walked the ramp wearing the clothes designed by the future fashion designers.
That was great opportunity for both future fashion designers and future models to display their skill. Now, it's time for us to take a short commercial break here. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs for you. So don't go away. Stay tuned to us.
ಮುಕ್ತಿತರ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ವಾಜ್ರ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ ಮುಡಿಪು ಇದರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವು 2007ರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4, 5 ಹಾಗೂ 6ರಂದು ಜರುಗಲಿರುವುದು. ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 2ರಂದು, ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 4ರಂದು, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5ರಂದು ದಿವ್ಯ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ, ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 6ರಂದು ಸಾಂಭ್ರಮಿಕ ಬಲಿಪೂಜೆ. ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆದರದ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರುವ ಧರ್ಮಗುರುಗಳು, ಚರ್ಚ್ ಪಾಲನಾ ಮಂಡಳಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಪುಣ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಸಮಿತಿ ಮುಡಿಪು.
Janak property. Janak property. Janak property. ಜನಮಾನಸದ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಪಡೆಯಿನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಪರಿಶುದ್ಧವಾಯಿನ ವಹಿವಾಟದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಲೇಔಟ್ ಉಂಡು, ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ ಉಂಡು, ಎಡ್ಡ ಮನಸ್ಸುಂಡು, ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಉಂಡು. ರಂಗ ರಂಗದ ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ತೇಲಿಕೆ ನಲಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸಾರವು ನಂಬಿಕೆದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆನೇ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಜನಕ್ ಜನಕ್ ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ.
ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿರಿ. ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್ಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.